My first instructional activity to develop our language would be to do an activity called sound match. Students should be able to identify a targeted sound in the initial position before the same sound is introduced in the final position. For this activity, I would incorporate this in a small group setting. To begin this lesson, I will hold up a book and I would say, I want you to listen carefully to the first sound in book. I would say book again, emphasizing the initial sound. For example, book. I would then tell them the first sound in book is b. I will ask the students now to tell me what is the first sound in book. When they tell me the sound is b, I will tell them that they're correct. The first sound is b. Then I would tell them we're going to listen for words that have the same first sound as book. I would show them a hat and a ball. I will tell them I will hold up a hat and I will say, this is a hat. The first sound in hat is h. I will ask them, what is the first sound in hat? And they would tell me the first sound in hat is h. I would then go on to ask them, does hat and book have the first sound? When the students tell me no, I will then go on to hold up a ball. I will ask them I will say the word ball and emphasize ball, and then I will ask them what is the first sound in ball. After they tell me the first sound in ball, I will ask them, does ball and book have the same first sound? Once they tell me yes, I will tell them that the students are correct and we will move on to the next set of words. The next activity is called Odd One Out. This activity will also be incorporated in small groups. In this activity, I will have a set of cards and I will explain to the students that I will be saying the names. I will say the name that's on the picture and one of these sounds does not match. I will begin this lesson with, for example, I will begin this lesson with a card with bus. I would say bus, us. I will then pick up a card, my next card, cup, up, cup, all, ball, all. I will tell them that one of these sounds does not match. I will tell them that the first sound in bus is b. The second sound, the first sound in cup is k, cup, and then in ball, the first sound is b, all. I will ask them what sound does not belong. And hopefully the students will be able to tell me that the sound that does not match is k in cup, because ball and bus have the first initial sound. My third activity is called the bridge game. This also will be in a small group setting. In this activity, I will hold up a toy mouse, or like I have right here, a picture of a mouse. I will tell my students this is a mouse. I will ask them, what is the name of this animal? And they will tell me mouse. Then I will tell them, listen to me carefully as I say the word again. I will repeat the word and I will put emphasis on the word, on the first sound of mouse. So I will say mouse. I will tell them that the first sound in mouse is mm. I will ask them to repeat it with me, the first sound in mouse, mm. And then I will ask them to tell me what the first sound is. And then once they say mm, then I will tell them correct and we will move on to the next one word syllable.